My name is Talita Zampieri Lima Mendes. I'm a cosmetology instructor here at VCC. I'm also owner of Moncherie Salon and Spa and Bossa Nova Salon and Spa. What inspired me is the eager to share my knowledge and always keep learning. Beauty is my passion since I was 12 years old. When I finished my program here at VCC, I was able to open the salon, and as I was working there, I made a lot of friends. I made a good network between the industry, so VCC was an important step for me to get where I'm at right now. I believe you need to be humble, start small, and always think about the strongest success is when you have a strong foundation. And once you have that strong foundation, you are able to learn and then create and then be way more successful.
I had the pleasure of being Talita's teacher when she joined us as an international student in our cosmetology diploma program. When she came into the program, she really excelled not only academically, but she also became a really amazing peer teacher and mentor for all of the other students in the class. I think what motivates me is to see the development and how much I learn from teaching, from sharing, and see that every time my businesses are growing and I can hire more people. Right now we're 22 employees between two locations, which they come from VCC as students or they're not, but I can see and I'm really proud for all the path I've been in. The way to the top takes a little bit of time. For me, it took 25 years to be here. So start small, take whatever you can, and respect your process. Thank you, VCC, for recognizing me for the Career Success Award.